Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Crafter panel van. It's a long wheelbase, it's a Trendline model, it comes with a high roof and it also comes with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a manual gearbox. To the front of this van it comes with a chrome strip in the top grille. It also comes with front parking sensors, front assist with city emergency braking, which is a popular safety feature in the van range. This Crafter comes in candy white. This van is fitted with steel wheels. To this side of the Crafter it comes with side light markers. It also comes with some added lock security, which I'll mention later in the video. As you can see, it comes with a near side loading door. To the back of this Crafter it comes with rear wing doors. This Crafter comes with rear parking sensors in the rear bumper. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. As you can see, this van is in great condition. This van comes with 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. The driver's seat also comes with an armrest. This is for added comfort on long journeys. To the back of the front seat it comes with a steel bulkhead. Up above the front seats it comes with some handy storage. This van is fitted with a flat bottom steering wheel. This is ideal for ease of getting in and out of the vehicle. It also comes with some multifunctional switches. To this side you can see it's got cruise control. This van has covered 4,408 miles. To the centre of the dash it comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. As you can see, this is the main screen. The system comes with App Connect, which allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It's also got a system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for your popular streaming apps, e.g. music or maps. This van is also fitted with DAB radio. This van is also fitted with Park Pilot for your front and rear parking sensors. This van is also fitted with air conditioning. This van is fitted with 270-degree hinges. This is the advantage of the rear hinges. Now for a quick look at the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. If you'd like to protect the rear load area, you could ask a member of the team on a quote for wood ply lining. As you can see, you cannot open the door from the handle. You need to use the key. This is the same on the rear door. This is the view from the near side loading door. As you can see, it comes with some anchorage points. This is ideal for securing your loads when in transit. Underneath the front seats it comes with some handy storage. If you'd like any more information on this used 69 plate Crafter, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a personalised detailed video on request. And thank you for watching.